Hello, I'm Alex. I'm gonna speak about what I had a problem with SEO to optimize my website and to rank on the Google and everything that SEO do. The problem is I still have a website which have a functionality behind. It's a very complicated website, custom, everything needs to custom made, and we create some projects on the website and everything. So it's built in Next.js, which is React framework, and it's not built on Wix or Squarespace or some another platforms like this. SEO said like, give me your login details from the website to add Google Analytics, to optimize, change metadata, everything. And I said, my website, it's uploaded to source code, it's uploaded to GitHub, and there it is. And they say like, hey, we cannot do nothing. This is the problem. We cannot do nothing. Like we must change a lot of things constantly. So they need to change constantly something 2 times, 3 times per week. They need to change metadata inside, some text on the website to be good for optimization, to better rank on Google, and a lot of another stuff. Like only the connecting with Google Analytics, which it is Google tag, you just need to input the source code. They cannot do it because what you need actually to do, you need to contact your developer who make the website, and he needs to go to source code and to put this metadata, to import Google tag, to change the text, and a lot of things he needs constantly to change. So the problem is, if you hire some developer from Upwork or Fiverr or anywhere, it's a problem because you need to contact constantly, and they are not available constantly, and need to pay constantly. So when you contact them, they can say like, hey, tomorrow or after tomorrow, after 3 days or next week or something, you need now. And they're gonna charge you maybe some simple things like $200, $300, but this is constantly. And the CEO, mostly, if you have experience with this, they need 4, maybe 6 months to rank your website, to change everything. This is a slowly process. And imagine that you need constantly to contact your developer and something to change. It's a little bit tricky, you know. If you have some developer which is constantly available there and is not gonna charge you so much, then it's okay. But SEO can do everything if it's your website a simple on Squarespace or Wix. They can just, or Shopify, they can just, you can give them login details, they can go inside. Very simple to add the Google tag, which is for Google Analytics, that you can track your website visitors and everything. Just a simple thing like, for example, to add a Google tag to connect with a Google Analytics, it's not a problem because it's like application next, and you can install this. This if is your website built on Squarespace, Wix, it's not a problem at all. If it's on source code in GitHub, which is more complex, your website, custom and everything, have a lot of functionality behind. For example, some crypto websites which have transactions, creating some things on the website. It's so complicated, so it needs to be in source code. Because you can change everything there, and you can build very good website with this. So, but it's the problem with the SEO. And this, I want to say, pay attention on this, to know in advance when you make what you want. Like if you want a simple website, like a blog, some social links and stuff like this, to look just a normal website, not so much special, then you can make your own. Then you can make by yourself this website, or you can hire someone. But pay attention on this. If you want to hire some SEO, then it's gonna be problem if it's in source code. The next thing is if you have this website in a source code built in this Next.js, you cannot move to Wix or Squarespace because it's not supported. So you cannot move, just to move. It's not gonna work. Cannot do this. So this is also the problem. So, or you're gonna spend a lot of money, spend a lot of time, and everything, and every time you must do this. Some solution have, if this is SEO, have his developer, then you need to contact your developer to give them access to if you have also access to source code or GitHub, where is your source code. He need to change the source code to put everything, metadata and whatever they need to do. But the problem is they will change the things in source code and everything. Then maybe can be some problem, maybe this developer is not so good. Then you must contact your developer, like, hey, my website does not work now, this functionality behind it's have some problem, someone changed something in the source code, then your developer need to trying to fix this, then it's gonna cost you. It's it's a problem, because I had this problem, and this was before, and to not make this problem. So in advance where your website is gonna be. It's gonna be a source code uploaded in GitHub, or you're gonna make on Squarespace. It's gonna be simple or complicated, depends what you want and what kind of website you want to build. So this is even in the source code, it's not so simple, because mostly these SEOs, they are not developers. They do not know how to code and stuff like this. It's not easy at all. If you find some tutorials about this, for example, just to import the Google tag for Google Analytics, to import in a source code, which is in GitHub, to track your visitors on your website, it's a problem. If you search something on YouTube and you want to find some solution how to, everybody is gonna say, hey, you have a head there, and in below the head you just copy paste this code which is from Google tag, and it's gonna work. No, it's not. It's complicated. Just maybe this developer didn't even put this. Maybe you can put this instead. The name of head can be app or something, which is my case. App didn't even exist. We need to make a new folder with everything and to put inside. So it's not easy. It cannot work, and you need to know how to code and everything in order to be in function. So just I want to say, when you make website, pay attention, and you hire someone from Upwork or Fiverr, whatever. Just learn about this. Learn something. What is most people is gonna, hey, I want website, then hire SEO or something. But no problem. If you have a patient, if you have a lot of time, you need to wait. They need to do because everybody's busy, you know, and it's gonna cost you a lot. And just to be aware about this. So just to mention, if you hire someone from Upwork or Fiverr or whatever, you need to agree everything before to not be some surprises, you know. Just agree on everything. You must have all information, how many you can collect information, what about the website or something. Speak with someone who already make like, hey, this can be problem, this can be problem, and how to pick also, it's important. Website, like when I make my website, the price was like from 1,000 to 15,000. Like this is 15 times more. So what was the problem? The problem was some of them, they didn't do this kind of things, and they need to do from the scratch. They are not so much familiar with this kind of stuff, and they need like 4 months, 5 months, like unbelievable. And the price, like you ask everybody the same question. You ask the same question, and they answer like, you know, someone is going to answer, yeah, no problem. Like it's going to cost you $8,000 and it's going to be in 2 weeks. Someone is going to answer on the same, like it's going to cost you from 13,000 to 15. It's going to be 6 months. Like, but when you find someone that already built, you can, for example, Upwork, you can check there. You can check what they do, similar things. You can chat with developers, and they can say like, yes, we can do, and ask them, can I see your work? Can I see the similar things that I ask? Did you do or something? Verify this, check this, and they probably can do very fast, which I found like several of them can do for 3,000 in 5 days, no problem. They already know how to do it and stuff like this. So this, to do not rip you off, you must pay attention on this, watch the ratings and how much money they earned. Mostly of them left every job, how much was cost and everything. So how much money they take for the job, for certain job, and if it's very similar to yours, you approximately know how to negotiate the price and everything. So this is my advice, like check the ratings. Also you must check like how much you have percentage, how much the job they done. So it's like some have even 100%, like this means like every job he finished it very successfully. Someone have 95%, 98 something. If it's very low, it's not good. They didn't finish the job correctly. They didn't finish the job and had some problems and some stuff like this. So this bear in mind when you search. Ask for proof, like what they do and how they do, to show you something, and I think it's not going to be so much problem. That's it. I hope this is helpful for you, just to know. And this is actually my first video, and I will make much more videos, so subscribe if you want. So see you in the next one.